the government intends to amend the Goa Panchayati Raj Act. There are 3 amendments that are supposed to come. One is regarding taxation, one is regarding something else, but the most important one is an amendment which allows the MLA to attend the Gram Sabhas. Now, when an amendment is brought about, normally a copy of the bill is given to the MLAs. Till today, none of the MLAs have got this copy of the bill. And there should be in that preamble also a statement of objection reason why this amendment is supposed to be brought about. The Constitution was amended by the 73rd and 74th Amendment to give more powers to the grassroots. If there is a lacuna in there, something is missing in there. Now, what is missing in the original? What is missing in the original? The MLAs were kept out on purpose when this amendment was done. The MLAs were kept out on purpose. Because what happens is there should be fearless and fair discussion in the Gram Sabha. Jenna MLA law, minister law, there is they vitiate the atmosphere. MLA minister Gram Sabha गेले लोक भियेता. It is common knowledge की लोक भियेता. Minister येता आपने security घेऊन, MLA येता आपने police घेऊन, and there is no free and fair discussion in the Gram Sabha. There should be an upper limit because some of the panchayats are very arbitrary in their taxation. Garbage tax, commercial tax, house tax, nakaradi tax, that lokat ain't hoता. So that is okay, rationalization of that. But we object to this amendment which is supposed to be brought in this assembly that MLA should have nothing to do with the Gram Sabha. Let the people decide their future. Let the people decide what development they want. MLAs have got no right and they should have no right in this as per the Constitution.
तुमकां खबर आसा जेन्ना हो पंचायत कशी चलता की ऑफ ट्रॅक ग्रांट आमकां सगळे रिलीज जाता पूण हो पंचायत मिनिस्टर जाल्यार माऊली भुरगेलो एकूय आमकां खंयच्याच पंचायतीक ऑफ ट्रॅक ग्रांट हो आयलो ना. ते कित्या खातीर हे पयलीं प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करा आनी तुमी ते एका दिसाचे जे बेकार तुमी तो अमेंडमेंट हाडूंक सोदता आमचो पंचायताचे ताका आमचो कित्येकशा पंच मेंबरांचो विरोध आसा आनी हांव मागतां आमच्या प्रत्येक पंच मेंबरांक सरपंचाक आख्ख्या गोंयच्या ह्या अमेंडमेंट ओपोज करपाक तुमी एक या आनी आमी ओपोज करतलेच.